Hello everyone, this is Asif. In this video, we will learn how to scrap LinkedIn jobs for free. In this Google Sheet, you can see that there is a list of some leads that I have already scrapped. To give you an overview that what I'm going to do in this project. If you can see, I got company name, job title, location, website, job LinkedIn URL, and the date. That what my client asked for. And in detail sheet, if you go, there is a requirements. So our targeted job positions are software developer and software engineer. Then our targeted country is Canada. Also we will collect the job posts that are posted in last 10 days, and the job types are full-time and contract. That's it. That will be the filter mainly. So to collect the jobs, we will use Clay. It's a scrapping tool. It will provide you total 1000 credits for 13 days, but as you can see, I have already used some credits. So at first we will create a filter. To create filter, we will click on create new, then table, and then we will see there is a option called companies, and in companies there is a option called find jobs from LinkedIn. I have to click on it, and there is a filter option. So to create the filter, I have to follow my requirements. Our targeted job positions were software developer and software engineer. That's why I have to put here software developer and software engineer role. If you click software engineer, and I don't need to exclude anything, that's why I'm ignoring it. And then the job description, I don't need it also. And then the location, our targeted location is Canada, that's why I'm putting Canada. And then job type, it's definitely full-time and contract roles only. And then recruiter options, I don't need it. And then the posting date, I have to put here 10 days. And then the limit of result, to showing you I am just scrapping 50 leads or 50 jobs, that's why I'm putting here 50. If you want to scrap lots of data, then you have to include it here. Now you can see I have got a list of leads, almost 1400 leads, but I have put here 50, that's why I'm getting only 50 leads. And then I have to import the data, and here you can enrich the data, but I don't need to enrich that data, that's why I'm going with basic profile. Then continue for free. Now it will scrap the data. It's done with the scrapping. Now if I scroll below, you can see that I got 50 leads in 1 minute or 2 minutes just. So here you can see that I got a list of company name, job title, locations, company domain, and job LinkedIn URL. If I click on a job LinkedIn URL, then it will open. You can see that it's a job that are posted on LinkedIn, and the titles like the job positions, and then locations also Canada, and it's between 10 days that posted on LinkedIn. And that's it. That's what I was looking for. Now I can download it, or I just can simply select all like this and copy it. Now I have copied it, and now I have to go back to my Google Sheet and paste it, and that's it. It provided me the data with the time, like when it's posted, and the date also. And that's it. That was the video. If you think the video was helpful, feel free to like the video, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.